248 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 4 8. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. This process will continue. 2 goes into this 2 how many times? 2 goes into 2 one time. Now 1 time 2 equal to 2. Subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this digit. 0 4 means 4. 2 goes into 4 how many times? 2 goes into 4 2 times. Write 2. 2 times 2 4. Subtract 0. Bring down this digit. 8. 0 8 means 8. 2 goes into 8 how many times? 2 goes into 8 4 times. Write 4. 4 times 2 8. Subtract 0. Our remainder is 0. So we are done. 124 is our answer.